This is a bag of great value broccoli florets and cauliflower. $1 each, 12 ounces. Roasted vegetables, cauliflower and broccoli florets, olive oil, pepper, and rosemary, generously sprinkled over the vegetables. Yum! Wow! And that's a good-looking vegetable side dish. An entree, whatever you want it to be. This is great vegetable dish. $2. 24 ounces. A little pepper and rosemary, or the seasonings of your choice. Whatever you like. This is a great idea, and your family will love you for it. Bon appetit!